Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M11 and I'm gonna show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left to the Pro. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the right. The first one button here is the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture by using this slider, and going to the right we can make our photos more bright. By going to the left we can make it more dark. As you can see, this is how it works. And at the center we have the auto exposure compensation. Now let's move to the center button here, the white balance. Here we can control the temperature of our picture in Kelvin degrees by using this slider. Going to the right we can make it more warm. By going to the left we can make it more cold, as you can see. So this is kind of balance between the blue and the orange light. And we can also easily go back to auto white balance by just simply tapping on this button here with manual, so it goes back to the auto settings. And let's move to the last one button. Here we have ISO, so we can adjust the camera sensitivity to light from 100, so we can make it less sensitive, to 800, so we can make it here more sensitive. And this is how it works. This is not really wide spectrum of it, but I think this is enough for this camera. Of course, we can easily go back to the auto ISO by tapping on this manual button here, so it goes back to the auto settings. Now let's move to this settings bar. Most of this settings is also in standard photo mode, but in the right corner we have one extra button. This is the metering. We can pick the matrix metering, as you can see, then here spot metering, and at the beginning of this we have the center weighted metering. So this is how it works. Now let me take a picture by using this setting. So let's stay, for example, on matrix metering, the ISO maybe 200, white balance a warmer one, and by exposure compensation we can make our picture more bright. To check our picture we have to go here to the left corner at the bottom, where we have quick access to the gallery, so this is it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.